Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to open up an incognito tab or go in or out of incognito mode on the Chrome app on your mobile smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner of the Chrome app and select where it says New Incognito tab. And then if you wanted to leave incognito mode, you would select the little tab icon right here next to the search bar, and you would just click on the little X next to whatever incognito windows you have open, and then you're back to the regular browsing mode. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.